How to adjust gain in WavePad. First of all, open WavePad on your computer and load the audio file you want to adjust by clicking on File and then Open File. You can also drag and drop the file directly into the WavePad window. Next, select a portion of the audio waveform where you want to adjust the gain. If you want to adjust the entire track, you can skip selecting a specific part. Then, go to the Effects menu at the top and choose Popular from the drop-down list. Under this menu, you will find two gain options: Automatic Gain Control Quick and Automatic Gain Control Advanced. If you select Automatic Gain Control Quick, WavePad will automatically adjust the gain for you using default settings for a fast and easy improvement. But if you select the Advanced option, you will see sliders for max gain, max attenuation, filter, deezer, and other settings. You can also enable dynamic range compression and adjust parameters such as compression threshold, compression limit, and compression ratio. Before applying the changes, you can click the preview button to listen and make sure the gain adjustment sounds right. Once you are satisfied with the adjustment, click Apply to change the gain of your audio file. And that's it. Now you know how to adjust gain in WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.